Out you go, silly little woodpecker. Okay, enough with the funny. I need to have my sleep. Poor little woodpecker. He has fallen from his nest. Nighty night, woodpecker. Looks like we're both up, huh? Oh well, I might as well have a late night snack. Oh, let's see. There's cheese, and ham, and pickles, and tomatoes, and a little bit of onion. Oh, yoy. I just can't wait to sink my tusks into this sandpit. Oh, but, I don't even remember eating all that stuff. Ooh, I better get some sleep. My mind is going all kerplunky. Attaboy, come and get it.
Messy writing can cost you a lot.
Who is jingling my bell?
Night mailman.
I don't know of any night mail.
Special delivery.
Jumping Jupiter, just what I need. How cute. He looks like a boat moored in a fjord. No more sleepless nights for me, woodpecker. I don't like any of this hardwood web. Hello, police. There's some weirdo digging up my lawn. No, I don't know who it is. Just come and get them out of here. What is going on here? Aha! Woodpecker. So you're the weirdo trench digger. All right, buddy, let's go downtown. Ooh, that sounds lovely. At least it's nice and quiet here.
I use Grammarly pretty much every time I type on my computer. Details are important.
I can be getting the rest I need. Bye, me.